Hello everybody! Today I'm in GA Ocean View and I'm going to the lobby right now. It's coming, and here it is. It's massive from inside, so wide. Doesn't these two words rhyme? Okay, this is actually very cool. This is the room now, and this is the washroom in there. And the bed fitted all of us. And I was eating with my brothers, and I'm gonna show you the view from outside. It's gonna be so cool. Look at it. Look at this. As you see, this is the view from the room. It is so wonderful. And look at this. There is a pool for the adults, a pool for the kids, and you can swim so fast. I am enjoying so much with the water. I'm swimming without any floaties. I recommend you to come to this hotel. You will not want to get out of the pool. Now this is a playing area where people could sleep, and yeah, that's the playing area now. And this is a place where you could sit, bring your food and eat and rest, and you can also watch your children. Now this is the view from the bottom, and we're looking up right now. It's cool. And now this is the GBR Street. Isn't it very, very wonderful? Now this is the mall, and that is the shopping place, and there is also a cinema. Yes, there is. And if you want to see more of Dubai's hotels, all you have to do is like, share, and subscribe to see more of Dubai's hotels. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Bye.